Hello everybody, so today's video is just going to be a little quick, so let's get started. So my frame is a Sabrosa, I actually like it. My seat, this is a Proza. My crank arms are kink. I actually like kink. And my pedals are Mission. My back rim and my front rim are sealed. And they are Rant, and we got a Mission. My bars are like tree bars. A friend of mine's told me what they were, and they're spray painted red, which is I don't want that color. So whatever the time is, I'm going to strip down the paint and make it like a chrome color, and that's it. And my stem, you already know what it is. It's a kink. So yeah, that's a little bit about my bike, and also I'm running two stock pegs. I grind on on this side, and on the other side, I ride left hand drive. Riding left hand drive and right hand drive doesn't make a difference. But for me, if I ride, since I actually started riding left hand drive, I've gotten way better. Um, right now, I'm trying to get down like a fully down of a 180 slider, and yeah. But that's it today's video. That's it for my bike check. Stay tuned for more videos. And make sure you like and subscribe. I'm out.